Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up the master on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Make me call the wicked girl there.
Hello, my bro.
Me hear say you a breed, but me hear say I know for me wicked girl.
Where you hear that from? Me not breed.
Whether you a breed or not, I know my problem that. Me know it can be for me. Cause a double condom me put on when me a grind you.
So why you have here, so after me give you my priceless front?
Price, go sit down. That the price they are share for the whole community. So what me really call you about? How you manage for your day with your best friend, man?
How you manage for your day with me and you a married man? Answer that.
I know that me ask you. Left my wife out of this.
Here, me free to take any man me want. I could have my mother, friend, sister, anybody. Just like me, I take you.
You're bright with it though. Anyways, me I go tell Susie. I saw it until you find a man for yourself.
No, Barry, please. I want to tell her myself.
Keeping my mouth shut come with a price. Me we take off 25 grand.
Barry, really? And when me do you? Boy, you wicked. You know me not have no money.
Well, we can't trade. Me I come link here, you know.
Bingy, I've been thinking. What do you think about us having another child?
Susie, what you just said?
Bingy, I think we should get pregnant. We just get another promotion and we have enough money to take care of another baby.
Susie, please leave me alone for God's sake. Me stress out.
Bingy, I really think another child will make you happier. Can you just imagine me and Natasha and Keisha having babies months apart?
Susie, how are you, man? Go back to sleep, man. Please.
What's up, family? I want to bring you here, sir.
Brother, me need somewhere to lay my head. Me feel like it a pop off. Lord Jesus. Jackson, Natasha, and Keisha stress me for money to take care of Benny. I'm not sure if I feel me, you know. Susie just add herself on the list of stress. But you want another baby.
So what you gonna do, bro? You can't live like this. Better you tell Susie, that makes stress kill you off.
You're mad, bro. How am I to do that?
Yes, Bingy. It's better she know before the baby born. Because me hear say Susie a shop like crazy for Natasha and Keisha.
All me I tell Susie to stop spending her money on them. She not listening.
How she a go feel when she find out she a shop for your secret children?
It's a machine me want, and that will solve the problem.
Me a the wrong man you ask about gun. A church and Bible me deal with.
Hey Natasha, what you doing here?
I'm Patty and me I come to lunch. Cause my baby now mark.
Let me join you. Me kinda hungry too. The patty always stays nice here.
Yes, I have salon me and Patty.
Natasha, can I ask you a question? And it stay here, so?
Girl, you know you can't ask me anything. Remember, say me not one of them people who care about people name.
Have you ever had a relationship with any of your friends, man?
What you say? You want to take your friend, man? No, sir. Me not do them things there.
Well, me get myself involved with my friend, man, and get myself pregnant for him.
And what you not say? You put yourself in a one piece of batik wall. So your friend knows say you're breed for your man?
No, not yet. Me, I work up my nerves to tell her.
Wicked if you take your friend, man, still. Nah, lie.
It was just a mistake that went wrong.
The mistake happened. Where you take the man number? Where you answer him call for? And him there in your bed? Or the first time you take off your clothes for him. Or the first time you fuck him. Or at the second, third, fourth. Tell me something, Keisha. And when the mistake happened. By the way, I one friend me know you have, and a Susie.